and pageant winner Chelsie Kryst. We wanted to talk to an expert today about the importance of suicide and mental health awareness, an important topic any day, especially now. Joining us now is Rachel Papke with the Jordan Porco Foundation. Rachel, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
First of all, for those who don't know, what is the Jordan Porco Foundation?
We are a suicide prevention charity here in Connecticut, but we have national programs, and our mission is to prevent suicide, promote mental health, and really create a much needed message of hope for people.
Indeed, that message needed today after yesterday's headline. The pandemic, of course, has had a major impact on mental health for all of us. Why is it so important, Rachel, to spread that awareness, especially right now?
It's especially important right now because I think more people than ever are struggling with their mental health. It's exacerbated by the ongoing pandemic. The CDC reported that amongst U.S. surveyed adults, 31% are experiencing symptoms of anxiety and depression. And suicide remains the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 34. It's something that we really need to have important conversations about daily.
You know, Rachel, you look at someone like Chelsie and you think that she has everything, right? I mean, Miss USA, she's on TV, a lawyer, extremely successful, well-known, famous. How could her life situation maybe impact her mental health?
Yeah, that's a great question. It's a bit difficult to answer because, for everyone it's different. Everyone is different, but I think perhaps fame sort of amplifies the stressors of the day, and it can also exacerbate or amplify if there's an underlying mental health issue. It's also a reminder that we each have mental health to take care of, and we each need to take care of our mental fitness like we do our physical fitness. And it's a reminder that sometimes the strongest people are those that we have to look out for and make that much more of an effort to reach out and ask how are they doing, and then continue that conversation and really listen non-judgmentally to keep that open conversation.
So talking about that conversation, what does that look like if there's someone in our lives that maybe we're concerned about, if it's ourselves? You ask how someone's doing, what would be the next step for someone struggling right now?
To sit by their side. Sometimes it's just sitting there and letting someone know that you're there for them no matter what, without even interjecting. And sometimes that person will begin to open up to you because you are a trusted individual in their life. Sometimes it's a text, just letting someone know how much they mean to them. A lot of times it's reaching beyond when someone replies, "I'm fine, I'm good," because more often than not, that is far from how they really are feeling underneath that happy surface. So I would say just try to keep the conversation going. And sometimes you can invite the conversation yourself by sharing a little bit of maybe a struggle that you encountered during your day. That can kind of be an invitation to share more about how that person is feeling too.
Critical information. Right before we go in the last couple seconds here, Rachel, if someone wants to get in touch with the Jordan Porco Foundation, they might be hearing this, it might be resonating with them. What's the best way for them to do that?
The best way would be to go to our website at jordanporcofoundation.org. And just a quick reminder, in Connecticut, you can dial
211 indeed. All right, Rachel, thank you so much. We appreciate your time.